Hello guys, welcome to the International Institute of English Learning. Today we are playing the debate game and we are supporting the government sector and I have a position supporting the private sector. So without wasting the time, let's begin with the private sector.
Okay, I believe that private sector is more beneficial and than the government sector. Let me tell you the reason that how it is more beneficial. First, the reason that if you will imagine that most of the people want to go in the private, hospital, want to go in the private school. Why? The reason is a simple because of their facilities. All right, that you need to understand. Because in the government school there is nothing a kind of facilities that I believe, and in the government sector there is not even a facilities that you are going to be thinking. And I believe this is not only my case. This is everyone case that everyone is thinking and everyone is believing. It's not providing that much of facilities. Only the poor people can afford it. Only they can, because it is the compulsion of the poor people. That is why.
So you said that it is a compulsion of poor people. Let me remind you again that it is not a compulsion. Yes, government is still providing a lot of facilities. Only because of those facilities, the poor people and the people who comes under the poverty line, they can afford and they can get their proper education. Because of your private sector, we all know that what kind of fees they are taking. It is not a kind of they are running only their business through the hospital, through the schools. We all know that. They just want your money. They don't want the things that you are going to do.
So ma'am, as you are speaking about the facilities, so let me tell you how much number of people in the economy they are getting these facilities. In the society, often the societal pressure seeks to the validation of stress, anxiety and depression. This is not a myth, because the number of candidates who prepare for the government exam, only few they achieve that and rest got the tag of failure. This is the fact of the society, and this is what happening in that, and rest who don't achieve any government, they consumed by the private companies.
Okay sir, so first of all you tell you that most of the people want to go in the private sector. Let me clear you. The most of the means rich man, even the politician, they go to the AIIMS. You know about AIIMS? AIIMS is a government sector. You can't say that it is a private sector. And in the private sector hospital, the thing of mentality of the staff is make the patient more days so that the bill is go higher, so that they recover from their insurance or whatever the things they want. Not the things that they want to treat the patient, they are treating, but for that the money is more valuable than the treatment. For the doctor, they are taking salaries, they are whatever, but the salary who are giving them, they are the businessmen.
Yes, I am agree with you. Politicians and businessmen are going, they are go to the AIIMS hospital and a big hospital which is by the made by the government sector. I know, but they have no good facilities. They have no good treatment. They are not like providing like medicines and any types of medicines which like illness.
Okay sir, as you are said like many they are providing the many facility, but you are taking, if you see the many people who are going for a private sector, they are doing the private job and they are working many things. They are seeing that they have no growth in a private sector, and they are doing the hard work with for their company, but they give
I can see that who tell you that in private sector we should do the hard work. It's really wrong, because I can see that in private sector most of the people they getting the good money. I can say that the government sector they also come under the private sector, because they don't have the, I can say that they don't have any kind of the future generation. I can say that.
Okay, I can agree with your point, but from my point of view, government sector is much better than private sector, as government sector has more facilities as compared to private sector. As if I talk about their food facilities, if I talk about their health facilities, this is much better than private. If I talk about those people who cannot afford their fees, who cannot afford their treatment, who cannot afford their school fees, so how can they survive in this environment?
Okay. Now listen, as I'm a student, you can see me, but do you know why I'm studying in the private school? Because of the facilities. If you will go in the government hospital, in the government school, what you will see, the doors are broken, the facilities are not there, the environment is not even good, the children are giving abuse, the children are beating to the teacher. Is it environment and is it a government school? Yeah.
this is a good image of government school that you need to understand. All right, even this is
I
not
don't
for
know
the
in which
hospital.
government school you visited, but I would like to tell you that as you mentioned your own school. So first of all, I would like to mention my own school. It is still better than the other government school as well as other private school. I can say it. If you have any doubt, you can come and visit to it there. And someone raised the point related to society. Let me tell you a harsh reality of the society. If you have a government job, society will give you the respect. If you don't have government job, they will just treat you as a common man. So this is the reality of the society. So you can see in your
Ma'am,
surroundings.
as you are talking about the respect, do you know the respect in outside the world except the India? They are earning the money in doing the job there in the Flipkart and big multinational company, and they are living their life with the luxury things. And as you talk about the AIMS, there is an alternative of AIMS once you will give the money, but is there the alternative of the high education system that is available once you will give the huge amount of money? Yes, I'm talking about the big, a luxury kind of a schooling system that is available for the celebrities as well, and this is the only option.
Sir, you talk about the foreign country. First of all, we are living in the India, so talk about the India. So in the India, the majority of the people are average earning 10 to 15,000, not more than that. So in the 10 to 15,000, the boss want to earn from them is 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Somewhere it is the human, it is a phase of human means human violation. It's happened in that case. I can say that a person working so hard and getting just 10.
Yes, you said right thing. India has a big population country, and then governments are not provided more job to each peoples. Okay, that's why we should do business. We should go to the like a private sector. We should go to the our business. We can open our like a business that through we can more money we can we have experience. If you have no experience, you can open business and then you go to the private sector. Please don't go to the private government sector in the government.
Okay, as your one team member said that the doors are broken, even the students don't have manners how to talk with their teachers. Is it the mistake of government sector? No, it is not the mistake of government sector. It is the students. It is the mistake of students' behavior. They even don't know how to talk. So even if I talk about the government jobs, they are secure. But in private sector, they eliminate their employees whenever they want. Even they don't have their pay.
So I can say that, ma'am, as you mentioned, like it's the student behavior. Not, ma'am. I can say that you are speaking the wrong. Like I can say that it's only depend on the government, because if the government is strict, definitely the students also strict, because they both are the student go in the private sector and the government sector both same. So I can say that it's totally depend on the government sector and the private sector. I can say that the private sector is totally strict to comparison to school. Like I can say that they don't allow to go outside and they don't allow to outside the class. I can say that.